Everyone, first year maths 1 year mathematical induction second chapter part 3 mathematical induction part 3. Okay, so important long questions. So 9 long questions are completed in the previous parts and 10th onwards we are going to learn here. So these are also very important. In this chapter, one long question for the examination. Now question is, show that 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so and so up to n terms is equal n into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2 by 12 for all n belongs to n by using mathematical induction. This is the complete question. Okay, how to solve this? Usually 3 steps are there. Step 1, we should prove at n equal to 1. Step 2, assume that it is proved at n equal to k. Step 3, we have to prove at n equal to k plus 1. So 3 steps are there. First given statement take as given statement. Before going to the problem, please subscribe our channel and also click like button, give comment and share with your friends. So each and every topic is completed, I think so. In matrices some videos are there too. I will make those videos also. Okay, see the playlist, you get the all videos. Okay, solution. So I'm removing the question. Given that, so this is given and this is taken as some statement p of n is, that is 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus so and so plus up to n terms. What will be the nth term? Yes, very good. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square so and so plus n square. So those are sum of square of first n numbers. Am I right? Okay. Sum of the first n natural numbers formula, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so and so plus n equal to n into n plus 1 by 2, and sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, and the sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Actually we have 3 formulas. So in this will be useful here. To write instead of n terms, we can write simply, tell me, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay, we must write the nth term. For writing nth term, we will be awarded 1 mark. Is equal, and what is right hand side? N into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2 by 12. This is the statement. Okay, what is step 1? Step 1 is take n equal to 1. In n equal to 1, what is left hand side? In the left hand side, n equal to 1 means first term, that is 1 square is 1. Complete. Next, what is RHS? RHS is n into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2 by 12. So, okay, here we are taking n equal to 1. So, substitute here. By substituting n equal to 1, we get 1 into 1 plus 1 whole square into 1 plus 2 by 12. How much 1 plus 1 whole square? 1 plus 1 means 2. 2 square means 4. 1 into 4 into 1 plus 3 is 4 by 12. 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja. What we are getting? 1. So at n equal to 1, left hand side is 1 and right hand side also we got 1. Means not 1 1. Either we get same answer or not. Whatever we have got LHS, the same as RHS. At n equal to 1, so LHS, RHS are equal. Therefore, the statement P of n is true for n equal to 1. Completed. For doing this problem, we get 1 mark. 1 mark plus 1 mark, 2 marks. Okay. Each and every problem in the same concept. Next, step 2. Step 2. What is step 2? Assume that P of n is true. P of n is true for n equal to k. P of n is true for n equal to k. Means 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so and so. What is the last term? N place lo k rayali. K into k plus 1 into 2k plus 1 by 6 is equal k into k plus 1 whole square into k plus 2 by 12. Let us take as equation 1. So for writing this statement, 1 mark, completely 1, 1, 1. 3 marks are in our hand. Next, step 3. So step 3, we should prove it is true for n equal to k plus 1. Okay, actually we have first term, second term, so kth term only is there. We need to find k plus 1 term immediately. So first of all, we should find k plus 1th term. If you are watching directly third part, also no problem. Even you have doubt by listening this third part, please watch the first part and second part and third part, because of in the first part and very clearly and with taking time I explained one by one. Okay, yeah. So k plus 1 term we have to write. Am I right? What is the k plus 1 term? Yes, very good. So kth term should be increased k plus 1 by k. So replaced k plus 1 by k. K place lo k plus 1 rayali. K place lo k plus 1 and plus 1 place lo plus 1. So instead of k we can write k plus 1. Okay, here k is there, k plus 1 write and plus 1 is there, plus 1 write. 2 is there, 2 into k this is. So 2 into k plus 1 write and plus 1. I think you understood. Okay, just k place lo k plus 1 రాసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళాం. మిగతా యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ రాసాం. Now rewrite this k plus 1 into k plus 1 plus 1 k plus 2 and 2 into k 2k plus 2 into 2 2 plus 1 3. So completely this thing. So this is the k plus 1 term. After getting k plus 1 term, immediately adding k plus 1th term to both sides of equation 1. Equation 1 ki both sides e k plus 1 term add cheyali. So what is the equation 1? This is the equation 1. For this, write as easily and is equal to this one, write as easily. Left side and right side add this k plus 1th term. So 1 square plus 2 square plus so and so plus k into k plus 1 into 2k plus 1 by 6 and is equal to, I am giving some space because of something will be added here. What is that? Yes, very good. K plus 1th term will be added. What is right side? First I am writing equation 1 as easily. K into k plus square into k plus 2 by 12. Just first equation is written as easily. To this first equation, left side and right side adding k plus 1th term. What is k plus 1th term? Yeah, this one. So adding k plus 1 into k plus 2 into 2k plus 3 by 6. Here also k plus 1 into k plus 2 into 2k plus 3 by 6. Okay. So you just keep it as easily and simplify this right hand side. Okay, I am just taking left side. So in 12 and 6 LCM is 12. Otherwise take common. Okay, otherwise take common in these two terms. Okay, we should simplify these two terms only up to end of the problem. Okay, what about this? You just keep it as easily. So here k plus 1 is there, here k plus 1 is there, here k plus 2, here k plus 2 is there. So k plus 1 we can take common, k plus 2 we can take common, and by in 12 and 6, so what is common? 6 is common. Then the remaining terms k is remaining. Only one k plus 1 is common, another k plus 1 is there, and by 12 means 6 take common, the remaining is 2, and k plus 1 k plus 2 took common, the remaining is 2k plus 3, and in 6 tables if you take 6 common we get only 1. Okay, keep it as easily, simplify this. Yeah, can I remove this? Yeah, okay. So left hand side this is there, just giving some space, and k plus 1 into k plus 2 as it is, k plus 2, and by 6 also as it is, and here cross multiplication 2 and cross multiplication 2. So 1 into k plus 1 becomes k square plus k, and here 2 into 2k 4k plus 2 into 3 6. which is equal k plus 1 into k plus 2 into 6 into 2 12, and here k square plus 5k plus 6. Yeah, so k plus 1 into k plus 2 into, so simplify this, k square plus 5k plus 6 factorization, we get k plus 2 into k plus 3. Am I right? Once check it, k plus 2 into k plus 3. So these two terms are same, so k plus 1 into k plus 2 whole square into k plus 3 by 12. Okay, did we get the answer? How can we know whether it answer is got or not? ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది? n ప్లేస్లో k plus 1 రావాలి. వచ్చిందా? n ప్లేస్లో k plus 1 వచ్చింది. నెక్స్ట్ n plus 1 అంటే ఇక్కడ k plus 1 plus 1, సో n ప్లేస్లో k plus 1. సో k plus 3 means I am writing k plus 1 plus 2 by 12. See, in place n we got k plus 1, and in place of 2 we got plus 2. Okay, other than k, whatever the number is there, that must be present. The remaining in place of n, k plus 1 should be there. In place of k plus 1, in place of n, k plus 1. Okay, so finally we got the terms in place of k, we got k plus 1. That means what? Therefore p of n is true for n equal to k plus 1, or simply p of k plus 1 is true. So therefore, by principle of mathematics, we must write this statement, final statement, principle of mathematical induction, the given statement p of n is true for all n belongs to capital N. So this is the way of solving the problem. Okay, let's take one more question. Yes, next problem. Show that 1 cube by 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube by 1 plus 3 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube by 1 plus 3 plus 5, so and so up to n terms is equal n by 24 into 2n square plus 9n plus 13. This is very important problem. So note down, in even previous question also important. So given that I am taking, and p of n is I am writing as 1 cube by 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube by 1 plus 3 plus so and so. So what will be the last term? So the numerator will be 1 cube plus 2 cube so and so plus n cube, and that is the sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers. So that is formula n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. This is the formula of 1 cube plus 2 cube plus so and so plus n cube. And in the denominator, first term is 1, second term is 1 plus 3, third term is 1 plus 3 plus 5. So what are these terms? Yes, odd terms, odd numbers. Very good. So basic odd numbers. So what is sum of odd numbers? N square. Okay, what is sum of the n square? N terms is n square, and is equal n by 24 into 2n square plus 9n plus 13. See, n square cancel. The remaining is n plus 1 whole square by 4. N plus 1 whole square by 4 is equal to n by 24 into 2n square plus 9n plus 13 plus so and so 1 cube by 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube by 1 plus 3 plus so and so. This is the original statement. Okay, two formulas we should remember here. One is sum of the cubes of the first n natural number is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4, and this one is sum of the odd numbers formula is n square. Okay, two formulas we should remember. So what is step 1? Immediately step 1 is n equal to 1. So LHS, in the LHS 1 cube by 1 is there, that is 1 by 1 means 1. In RHS, what is RHS? n by 24 into 2n square plus 9n plus 13. So which is equal, substitute 1 in place of n. So we get 2 into 1 square plus 9 into 1 plus 13. So by doing this we get 24 by 24, we get 1. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS, therefore P of n is true for n equal to 1. Next, step 2. What is step 2? Assume that P of n is true, or simply we can write assume that P of k is true. P of k is true. However you write, that is same. So P of k is true means the statement becomes 1 cube by 1 plus 1 cube 2 cube by 1 plus 3 plus so and so. Kth term we are taking instead of n, so we get k plus 1 by square by 4 is equal to n by 24 means k by 24. 2n square means 2k square, 9n means 9k plus 13. Equation 1. Immediately in step 3, so write k plus 1th term. Write k plus 1th term. So k plus 1 term means in kth term you just increase 1 అంటే k ప్లేస్లో k plus 1 రాయండి, మిగతా ప్లస్ 1 ప్లేస్లో ప్లస్ 1 by 4 whole square. So this becomes k plus 2 whole square by 4. So then after adding k plus 1th term to both side of equation 1. So what is the equation 1? Okay, so equation 1 is 1 cube by 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube by 1 plus 3 plus so and so plus k plus 1 whole square by 4 is equal k by 24 into 2k square plus 9k plus 13. Actually this is the equation 1. So to this equation on both sides, left side and right side, adding k plus 1th term. What is k plus 1 term? K plus 2 whole square by 4, k plus 2 whole square by 4. Okay, you just leave this and simplify this right hand side, this one. So this right hand side should be simplified in both terms. Is anything common or just 4 is take common, otherwise take 24 directly is equal 24 is the LCM. Here k into 2k square plus 9k plus 13 plus, here 4 is the denominator, LCM is 24. In 4 tables it comes in 6 times, 4 6 ja, that's why 6 into k plus 2 whole square, 6 into k plus 2 whole square means k square plus 4k plus 4. Okay, so is equal 24, k into 2k square 2k cube, k into 9k 9k square, k into 13 13k, 6 into k square 6k square, 6 4 ja 24k, 6 4 ja 24. So completely here 2k cube terms and k square terms here 9 and here 6, completely 15k square terms. Then k terms 13 and 24 becomes 37, yeah 37, and constant 24 by 24. So we should factorize from here onwards, from here what is there, n is there. So here we should get k plus 1 is common. Yeah, n ఉండాలి అంటే n ప్లేస్లో k plus 1 రావాలంటే ఇందులో k plus 1 కామన్ వెళ్ళాలి. సో k plus 1 కామన్ వెళ్ళాలంటే k equal to k plus 1 equal to 0 means k equal to minus 1. So take minus 1, we get 2 k cube coefficient, k square coefficient 15, k coefficient 37, this is rough work, constant 24. First take 0, okay, first take 0 and 2 plus 0 2 and straightforward adding cross way multiplication means 2 plus 0, 0 fix and 0 fix. So definitely we have to take 0. These are the coefficients. First k cube coefficient, next k square coefficient, next k coefficient, next constant. 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 15 minus 2 13, 13 into minus 1 minus 13, 24, 24 into minus 1 minus 24. Okay, 0. If we do not get 0, that means our assumption is wrong. So this is called k plus 1 into, so we are getting the constant k coefficient, k square coefficient, 2k square 13k plus constant 24 only, right, constant means nothing coefficient by 24. So k plus 1 into, so whether we are getting in place of n k plus 1, yes. Next what do we get, 2 into k plus 1 square is required, 2 into k plus 1. So 2 into k plus 1 whole square plus 9 into k plus 1 plus 13. Whether it's right or wrong, you just simplify this, you will get this. So directly using this I have written this one. ఎట్లా రాసాము అంటే మనకి ఏమైతే వస్తుందో మనకు తెలుసు కాబట్టి దాన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని రాసాం. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఆన్సర్ ఏం రావాలో అది వస్తుంది అనే ఉద్దేశంతో రాసాం, కావాలంటే చెక్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, therefore p of k plus 1 is true. Therefore by principle of mathematical induction, so you write it completely clear statement, principle of mathematical induction, the statement p of n is true for all n belongs to capital N. For this 1 mark, okay, don't neglect it. Yes, next problem. Any doubt? The next very most important question. Actually, I think important questions are in this part. I hope. Show that 49 power n plus 16n minus 1 is divisible by 64 for all n belongs to n by using mathematical induction. Okay. So one more problem is there, same process I will give you for your to doing own way, like homework. So first, given that statement P of n is 49 power n plus 16n minus 1 is divisible by 64. Okay. So let us check whether it is right or wrong. So step 1. In step 1, take n equal to 1. N equal to 1 means 49 power n plus 16n minus 1 will be what? The value of this one at n equal to 1 is what? So what is this? 49 power 1 plus 16 into 1 minus 1. This is called 49 plus 16 minus 1. This is called 64. Is this 64 divisible by 64? Yes. Which is, so this is nothing but 64 into 1 is divisible by 64. Okay. N equal to 1 తీసుకొని మనం ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మనకు వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ 64 తో డివిజిబుల్ అవుతుందా? అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి which is divisible by 64. కాబట్టి therefore P of n is true for n equal to 1, or directly P of 1 is true also you can write. Next, step 2. Very good. What is step 2? Assume that P of n is true for n equal to k, or you can write assume that P of k is true. Then what is the statement? Statement becomes 49 power n k plus 16k minus 1 is divisible by 64. That means what? 49 power k plus 16k minus 1 is divisible by 64 is nothing but the value of this will be 64 into something. 64 into something. For example, 12 is divisible by 3. Am I right? 12 is divisible by 3. 12 అనేది భాగించబడుతుంది 3 ద్వారా. Am I right? ఎలా చెప్పగలుగుతున్నాం? How can we say? Because of 3 table it goes in 4 times. That's why it is divisible by 64 means this goes in 64 table some t times. What is t? T belongs to n. Okay. From this 49 power k is equal to what we can write? Is equal to 64t minus 16k plus 1 we can write. Am I right? So take as equation 1. Next, we have to prove for it is true for n equal to k plus 1 means, okay, step 3. So take n equal to k plus 1. N equal to k plus 1 means this is little bit different here. No need to find k plus 1 term here. So 49 power k plus 1 plus 16 into k plus 1 minus 1. Okay. So we are going to find the value of this at k plus 1. So what answer we get? Is it divisible by 64 or not? We will find. Finding this. So 49 power k plus 1 means simply we can write 49 power k into 49 power 1. Okay. 16 into k plus 1 read as 16k plus 16 and minus 1 as it is. So this is 49 power k. 49 power k we can write 64t minus 16k plus 1. Am I right? So instead of 49k I am writing 64t minus 16k plus 1 and into 49 as it is plus 16k as it is plus 16 minus 1 15 as it is. So I am multiplying 64t into 49 minus 16k into 49. This you multiply definitely. Okay. 16 into 49. 9 6 ja 54, 9 1 ja 9 plus 24 33, 38, 4 1 ja 4 3, 784. 784k plus 49 into 1 49 plus 16k plus 15, which is equal 64 into t into 49 minus 784k plus 16k. Okay. So one is negative and positive, both are k terms. So subtract 16k terms from 784k and take minus. So we get 784 16, 14 minus 6 8, 7 minus 1 6, 768. Am I right? 768k. and plus 49 plus 15 64. Is 64 common in every terms? Yes, 49 here in 64 table 768. 64 1 ja 64, 8 4 148, 2 ja 2 4 ja 8, 2 6 ja 12. Sorry, this is 2. So 64 12 ja, so 12k, and 64 1 ja. So yes, we got 64 into some cube, something that's taken as cube. So which is written as 64 into something means what? So P of n is okay. Now which is divisible by 64. Even you can write where q equal 49t minus 12k plus 1. So which is divisible by 64 means P of k plus 1 is true. P of k plus 1 is true. That means therefore the statement P of n is true for all n belongs to by capital N by using principle of mathematical induction. That's the answer. Okay, first this is completely different అండి. స్టేట్మెంట్ P of n అనుకుంటే 64తో డివిజిబుల్ అవుతుంది అని ప్రూవ్ చేయమన్నాడు. కాబట్టి n ఈక్వల్ టు 1 తీసుకుంటే దీని వాల్యూ 64 వచ్చింది. ఓకే, 64ఏ కాదు ఏది వచ్చినా కానీ అది 64 ఇంటూ సంథింగ్ రాయొచ్చా లేదా చెక్ చేయండి. రాయొస్తే 64తో డివిజిబుల్ అవుతుందని రాయండి, అప్పుడు P of 1 is true. తర్వాత అజ్యూమ్ చేసుకోవాలి ఏంటిది, P of k is true. P of k is true అంటే n ప్లేస్లో k రాసుకొని డివిజిబుల్ బై 64 రాసుకోవాలి. అంటే ఏంది, దీని ఈక్వల్ టు 64 ఇంటూ సంథింగ్. సో దీని నుండి ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ వస్తుంది, దాని పక్కన పెట్టేసి స్టెప్ 3లో ఏం రాస్తాం, n ఈక్వల్ టు k ప్లస్ 1 తీసుకుంటాం. n ఈక్వల్ టు k ప్లస్ 1 అంటే ఈ n ప్లేస్లో k ప్లస్ 1 రాస్తే వచ్చే ఆన్సర్ 64తో డివిజిబుల్ అవుతుందా అనేది మన క్వశ్చన్. చూద్దాం. n ఈక్వల్ టు k ప్లస్ 1 రాసి దీన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేశాను. ఇలా సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే లాస్ట్కి 64 ఇంటూ సంథింగ్ వచ్చింది. 64 ఇంటూ సంథింగ్ వచ్చిందంటే మీనింగ్ అండి ఇది 64తో డివిజిబుల్ అవుతుంది. సో దేర్ ఫోర్ P of k plus 1 is true. Therefore by principle of mathematics P of n is true for all n belongs to capital N. So this is the way of it. In the same way, next 13th question, homework, show that simply the question is 4 power n minus 3n minus 1 is divisible by 9. Same type of problem. Okay, same process you do it. n equal 1 రాస్తే మీకు ఆన్సర్ 0 వస్తుంది. 0 వస్తే అది దేంతో అయినా డివిల్ అవుతుంది, కాబట్టి 9తో డివిల్ అవుతుందని రాస్తాం. ఆ తర్వాత ఇట్లా సేమ్ ప్రాసెస్ చేయండి, యూ విల్ గెట్ ఆన్సర్. నెక్స్ట్ 13th questions are completed. Okay, yeah, one more question. Actually the previous up to 13th in this starting 3 problems in this video means 11 12 13 and 10. So those are very most important questions. Okay, you see the previous question papers. Okay, so this is like the same process, you just touching the problem. Sometimes if the question paper is difficult, we may expect from this level. So but the procedure is same. However, we have done the previous 13th question, 12th question, the same process. So first, given that P of n is what? P of n 3 into 5 power 2n plus 1 plus 2 power 3n plus 1 is divisible by 17. So step 1, what is step 1? Take n equal to 1. At n equal to 1, what is the value? So value of this one is 2 power n plus 1 plus 2 power 3n plus 1 is equal 3 into 5 power 2 into 1 plus 1 plus 3 power 3 into 1, sorry, this is 2, 1 plus 1, which is called 3 into 5 power 2 1 2 plus 1 3, 5 power 3. What is 5 power 3 value? Yes, 125. Very good. 5 power 3 means 5 into 5 into 5 plus 2 power 3 1 3 plus 1 4, 2 power 4. What is 2 power 4? 2 to 4, 4 16. Very good. So total this value, first multiplication 300, 375 plus 16, 375 plus 16, 391. Yeah. So in this to divisible by 17, is 17 common in this? We check it. In 17 table, is it comes 17 2 ja 34, 51, 17 3 ja 51. So it is comes in 7 table. That means which is divisible by 17, divisible by 17. That means P of n is true for n equal 1, or simply P of 1 is true. P of 1 is true. Next, step 2. What is step 2? Assume that P of n is true for n equal to k, or simply P of k is true. P of k is true. That means 3 into 5 power 2k plus 1 plus 2 power 3k plus 1 is divisible by 17. That means 3 into 5 power 2k plus 1 plus 2 power 3k plus 1 is equal 17 into some t. Yeah. So from this implies 3 into 5 power 2k plus 1 is equal 17t minus 2 power 3k plus 1. Equation 1. Now step 3. So actually we are not going to find k plus 1 term, but we are going to prove for n equal to k plus 1. That is n equal to k plus 1 I am taking. At n equal to k plus 1, what will becomes? It becomes 3 into 5 power 2 into k plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 power 3 into k plus 1 plus 1, which is equal 3 into 5 power 2k 2 plus 1 plus 2 power 3k plus 3 plus 1. I am rewriting this as 3 into 5 power, this 2k plus 1 write as it is, and into 5 power 2 means 25, this is separate, plus here also 2 power 3k plus 1 into 2 power 3 separately writing, here also 5 power 2. Okay, this separately written, this separately written. Now this value of 3 into 5 power 2k plus 1 from equation 1 is 17t minus 2 power 3k plus 1, and 5 square means 25 plus 2 cube means 8 into 2 power 3k plus 1. So 25 multiply here. So 17 into 25 into t minus 25 into 2 power 3k plus 1 plus 8 into 2 power 3k plus 1. So this is keep as easily 17 into 25t, but here these two terms nothing but here minus 25 2 power 3k plus 1 terms, here plus 8 2 power 3k plus 1 terms. So totally we are getting minus 25 plus 8 2 power 3k plus 1, minus 25 plus 8 is minus 17. Yeah, minus 17. So no need to write bracket. So what is common? Yeah, 17 is common. Then it is called 25t minus 2 power 3 plus k, 3k plus 1, 3k plus 1. Okay. So we got 17 into something, some cube. That means which is divisible by 17. So what is divisible by 17? At n equal to k plus 1. Therefore P of k plus 1 is true. P of k plus 1 is true. Therefore by principle of mathematical extension, P of n is true for all n belongs to capital N. So write that one, we complete the answer. Similarly do this problem. Okay, same procedure. Okay, I hope you understand. I may go little bit fast. In the YouTube, click on 3 dots, you can decrease the speed. Okay, yeah, so don't worry, I hope you understood very well. So these are mathematical induction, very important problems in this part, especially very most important for 7 marks question in the. Okay, thank you watching. Please subscribe our channel.